A mini fridge that won't turn on can be caused by several issues. The most common problems include electrical issues, a malfunctioning thermostat, or dirty condenser coils. To troubleshoot these issues, start by inspecting the electrical components. Unplug the mini fridge from the power source and check if the power outlet is working. If the outlet is functioning, examine the power cord for any damage and replace it if necessary. Additionally, locate the circuit breaker and restore it if it has been tripped. If electrical issues are not the cause, the thermostat may be the problem. Check the thermostat and adjust the settings to optimal temperatures, listening carefully for any clicking sounds. If no sound is detected, the thermostat may be faulty and require a replacement. If the issue persists, the condenser coils may be to blame. To clean them, unplug the mini fridge, move it away from the wall, and locate the coils at the back. Use a soft brush to gently remove any dirt, debris, or animal fur that may have accumulated. Once cleaned, plug the mini fridge back in and test it. If none of these solutions resolve the issue, it may be necessary to seek the expertise of a professional. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and potentially fix the problem with your mini fridge.